Guess that you just know one. Another soul is broken. It's always kind of funny how you find out how they're coping. So he asked me how I'm coping, and I asked him if he noticed. I said, listen boy, I'm focused. I said, me I drink pine and ginger, and mom if you wine pan a thing, I'm gonna play that. Me I drink pine and ginger, and mom.
So, it's the day of the party. It's March 17th. Did I tell you guys about the party? Well, I guess Snapchat knows if I haven't told y'all, but my uncle is hosting this big party at Trident Castle called Kauno. And it's one of the reasons why I kept my birthday, because if you know, I only go to Jamaica in the summertime when I got time off and no school and stuff. So, I got stone on my neck, one on my... I was just listening to that song, but yeah, I'm getting ready right now. I'm about to do my aunt's face, and I'm about to start setting mine because it's tired. So I'll see y'all when everything is done, because I know I'm gonna be recording like crazy today. So it makes no sense for me to be recording in the crib. So y'all, I'll talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. Okay. When you know we're near ready. Family! I miss the family. Alright. King, we on the way to party. Eh? Mash up the place last night?
No, but I go to that.
Oh. Yeah.
Which one?
Crystal.
See?
Oh, my grandma. We out to the party. Alright. Nana.
Trying to be thorough and I do it like this.
Junior?
We're just gonna walk up the party in the right style right now. Come on.
I'm a good body friend there, I'm a cousin.
To take picture good enough, the Canon. What make me just see like say in the body to go now.
It's heavy? The Canon? Yeah. That's what I'm gonna bring my everyone. May I get the small one to this. A picture them bad on the small one.
Oh.
My aunt, right here, Auntie Jan. It's my uncle. They serving the food. Madam. I mean, bring them down, you know? I bring down one, so go get your bar. I think them in a yard, I have to ask if they don't have any more. If they don't have any more, I get one. I need one too.
When we go out a road, go get something.
Alright. Alright, what should I do?
Don't move, right this up.
Yes.
Don't move. Say so, don't move. Big
Yes.
Yes, man.
Don't move.
Yes, yes.
We all share.
I'm a troublemaker, you know that. Ready again. One time, darling. Inside of live. Get the old song, get the supply jelly. Get the nuts, get the nothing leg. Baby top, we're ready for dance now. Jones have your. If no one can be another dance. But every man in a make who get a chance. Dancing June, where are you? Know that. Flare. You know see the ravers come flare. Make all man's a big bumper girl shake one time from. Hold on, I'm gonna get the get your cameras ready, make sure the cast. Look for Instagram like oh. Hold on, take camera. Finally there. I know I'm at this. Let me say everybody the rich dance now. Give me the rich dance. What's the rule of the rich? When the beat drop, I said go on with the road. Everybody get crazy. All right.
some lovely ladies. Sorry, only Oakleys, okay? Don't forget Rise Up, Black Up, Puzzle D. I still can't get the t-shirt section. Bring up back in the house. Ready now. Kira, where you going with my cup? Anyway. What's data? When you see you tonight, my pretty. So little more than the energy. Big up security crew. Cock it up on the dump. Go through.
You don't know where you breathe. Why you need something?
What's around them? Check the full court. Sometimes you're fortunate enough to find yourself in another position. Smoke with another exclusive. Don't forget Frenchman. Rise Up, Black Up, Puzzle D. Sportsman, main event, phase 3, Trident.
I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake, and the heat between
good times. It's gonna be good. Work every day till it means it. I've been turning it up on the weekend. Must not go see your friend. They know you're drinking, girl. I know it's gonna be good times. Gonna be good times.
Let's go make some moves and attitude.
Champagne, shots of tequila. When we clip one finger, me make album click like ninja. Feeling so menacing.
I'm a Jamaica, you know that. We'll go to party. Let's go have fun. Show them up for Flair, my friend.
Put every man in a make who forget a chance.
Flair, what no man come all over and take it from the time. You need to show everybody in this party how to Flair. You are smoke, I'm gonna find some dancing tune. Where are you?
Fast. I want the name fast. Well, let's say for the dancer, the bigger dancer. Everybody does flip.
Just got home. The party was popping. As you can see, foundation is still in my hair. So I'm on my camera. Foundation is still in my hair. I'm about to go to my cousin's house. The party was lit. Kauno 2 next year, daddy. Kauno 2 next year. Kauno 2 next year, right? I hope we have one. Gotta do it again. I'm about to get ready, take a shower, and go down to my cousin's house. I don't want to be home. So, yeah. When I come down next year, I gotta bring mad people. Because that shit was lit. My Snapchat was lit right now. It was lit. Go check that out. Add my Snap. Itsmeniinii. Add my Instagram, beautiful rebel, ___, 3 underscores. Losing my voice. I'm about to go to my cousin's crib. Oh, look at that, y'all. Can't wear this again. Oh. Bye, guys. At my cousin's crib.
You say place dirty about cousin's crib?
Why would I say that? And all I said the backdrop.
Oh.
Let her go in night because it's too much. Let her go in night. What the place clean here, people. I'm like the pink water. It's pretty fine in a video. Excuse. Anyways, guys, I'm about to edit the vlog. They know I chat to Uncle Nigo. Her boyfriend, I just call him Uncle Nigo. Yeah, I'm about to edit the vlog. As you guys can see, I haven't been editing the vlogs. I've been too late. So yeah, my makeup is still on since the party. Flawless and stuff. So, bye guys.
For me alone. Me alone. Rebel your name, girl, bad you bad. Rebel your name, girl, bad you bad.